nice river looking beautiful in Podgorica, Montenegro. Guys, and what's up guys, my name is Abdul and today I am in Podgorica, Montenegro, which is in Eastern Europe. Last night I arrived here and got a hostel for $10 US. Right now I'm in downtown and I will take a walk into the city and show you what I can find. I am staying here for only one day, and in this one day what I can find, I will show you the life of the beautiful, small and quiet city Podgorica in Montenegro. Bus station in Podgorica, Montenegro. Nice view out there, quiet city. Our hostel here in Podgorica, Montenegro. This hostel, a bed space in this hostel cost me around 10 euros, or you can say $12. This is my bed space, the locker there for luggage. So it's a nice hostel in the city center. A nice view of the Podgorica city from the rooftop of my hostel. Small local streets in Podgorica, I'm sorry, in Montenegro. This is the main boulevard in Podgorica city. A nice small mountain up there, and down is the road, and this is the nice walking track towards the city center. Another beautiful view of the city from here, the bridge. A 5-star hotel, beautiful 5-star hotel in Podgorica city center. Small park with a statue. And here is a big public park. A bridge in the same park connecting two parts. The bridge is made because of this river, nice clean water, and there is the big river which I will show you a little bit later. A nice statue in the park, and it is said that this is a Russian guy who wanted to become Montenegrin, and he was a music guy. You can see the guitar in his hands. Looks big. Building of Universal Capital Bank in Podgorica here, and that is the nice and beautiful bridge, state-of-the-art bridge, the symbol of Podgorica in Montenegro. A modern bridge which I think is recently constructed. Another view of the bridge over the river. A nice sound of the clean water in the river here, and there are many bridges for walking and also for transportation. Look at those bridges there all over the river. I don't know the name of the river, but that one is state of the art. And this I am standing right here is also a bridge for walking. Another look of the bridge. It is truly a bridge up to the European standards, and that's the main boulevard here in Podgorica. There's a nice water show there in city center, and then that is the football stadium and a bank building here. Clean drinking water. A busy street here in Podgorica, Montenegro. People walking and beautiful shops. A nice grocery shop there. Going to buy something. Price for beers, drinks and juices all in euros. Chocolate and biscuits. Beautiful water show in the main city center square, and there is a memorial. I can't read these words which are written there. If anybody knows, please read it, translate it in the comments. This is a memorial or monument in the city center. Nightlife scene, clubs and bars up there in Podgorica. Beautiful street. Another statue and a beautiful building there. I think it is government building. One more scene here and another empty street. Mount Boulevard and Podgorica, Montenegro. Shops on a typical street. Pretty much looks like a Central European street. The architecture and the environment. That's the restaurant opposite the street. You can find buffet food and different foods there. Of your choice. And if you need halal food and Podgorica, Montenegro, then that's the place. A nice fancy picture billboard in front of the Ramada Hotel, the famous Ramada Hotel here in city center Podgorica. And there's the school children there. Very nice scene. That's the Mall of Montenegro, a big shopping mall here in Podgorica. Inside view of the mall. Brands, shoes and restaurants and cafes down there. A big marketplace for vegetables, fruits, honey and different things. Very big. In flower shops inside the marketplace, really beautiful. So guys, here on the Podgorica main street I found this guy selling this nice stuff for kids and for everyone, like the glasses. And here is the man. What's your name?
My name is Jacob.
How are you?
Yes.
So,
This is.
what are you selling? What are you selling?
I'm selling everything for children.
Okay.
And for men, I have sunglasses and something else.
What about this thing? What it does?
This is the best for children.
For
because,
this, what children can make out of it?
Children, if you want to be creative, if you don't want to go in computer and see TV, if you want to be creative, you buy something this.
Something like this, if we buy, then we can make these things.
Yes.
Kids can make these things.
Yes.
Okay.
This is slime.
The sign in city center, Podgorica, to find places. So guys, one important thing to note here, that Podgorica is not the main travel destination here in Montenegro. There are other cities like Budva, Kotor and Tivat, which are on the seaside. It has nice beaches. So this is basically a stop city. People and travelers come here to Podgorica for a stop to go to other cities like Budva and Kotor, which are really nice attractions in Montenegro.